Anytime now, race number 1. And the race is on. Showboat King rushing up is to number 5, Santa Fe. Santa Fe, Zafima in between runners, Showboat King. Santa Fe, Zafima, Showboat King. Parthenon is racing import by the Rallies Dubai's Angel. Flying Honor is running at the tail of the field. Zafima takes the lead. Santa Fe, Showboat King. In between runners, Parthenon racing on the outside and rounding the far turn. Parthenon takes the lead, followed by Zafima and Santa Fe, Showboat King. And a long way back to Flying Honor, Dubai's Angel. As they race the final corner, Parthenon the leader, followed by Zafima by Darrell. Santa Fe racing on the outside and moving up by Darrell is Flying Honor. It's still Parthenon by about 3 lengths now. Santa Fe, Zafima, last 75 meters more to run. The icebreaker, number 6, Parthenon. Santa Fe, Zafima, Flying Honor, Dubai's Angel, and Showboat King.
Medyo dihado pa yata yun. 6-5-3-1 at lumalabas na 4th choice ang unang tumawid sa linya.